Have you ever found yourself puzzled by a C++ question that just doesn't seem to make sense? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the role of ctypechar, widen, and clarifying its significance in character encoding. I totally understand how confusing C++ standards can be, especially when it comes to character handling. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar questions when dealing with character encodings. Let's set the stage with a specific question from a user. Is ctypechar widen guaranteed to be an identity function for all characters in the basic source character set? This question opens up a whole discussion about character encoding across different locales. So what does this mean for us? The standard suggests that if out is a ctypechar stream and ch is a char, widening won't happen automatically. This raises questions about how characters are represented in different locales and whether they all use the same encoding. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of character encoding in C++ and how it affects your code. Plus, I've got a great tip that you won't want to miss. To address the user's question, we first need to clarify the role of the ctypechar widen function. This function is designed to convert a character from its narrow representation to a wide representation. The user is correct that for characters in the basic source character set, the widen function acts as an identity function. This means that when the user calls widen on a character, it will return the same character. Next, let's discuss the implications for locales. The C++ standard does not require all locales to use the same encoding for characters from the basic source character set. This means that while widen is an identity function, the actual encoding can vary. Finally, this variability in encoding can lead to situations where outputting a character, like using outx, may not work consistently across all locales. The user should be aware of this potential issue when developing applications. Fun fact: the C++ standard library has evolved significantly over the years, and understanding these nuances can feel like deciphering a secret code. But don't worry, we're breaking it down together. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. The user clarifies that ctypechar widen is not guaranteed to be an identity function for all characters. They explain that when using the operator with a char type, no conversion occurs if both the stream and the operator are of the same char type. However, if the character type of the stream differs, the widen function is applied. In other cases, the locale may transform the character without restrictions. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the locale settings in your C++ applications. This can save you from unexpected behavior when dealing with character encodings across different systems. And there you have it. You've gained insights into ctypechar widen and its role in character encoding. Remember, understanding these details can make a big difference in your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more C++ tips and tricks.